Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next example, that is example number 7. Gopal is worrying that his neighbor can see into his living room from the top floor of his house, means his neighbor's house. He has decided, means Gopal has decided to build a fence that is high enough to block the view from their top floor window. What should be the height of the fence? The measurements are given in the figure. Here you do understand the situation of Gopal. Actually this is Gopal's living room, but that is clearly viewed from the top floor of his neighbor's house. That means his neighbor from the position E, he is able to see the position of Gopal in his living room. So that here now Gopal decided to build a wall so that he can block the view of his neighbor's view towards his living room. That means he wants to stop seeing his neighbor into his living room. So here you can ask that, so he can build a very big wall, but the thing is that here we need to say he wants to build a fence that is high enough to block, means how much height is enough. Even though he can build more, but the thing is that what is the minimum height required to block his neighbor's view into his living room. That means here you do understand that here A is the position of Gopal's living room. Now he wants to construct a wall from Q to a position D. So here we need to find the height of the wall or height of the fence QD. You observe the figure diagram, or observe the diagram very clearly, or figure. AP is 1.5, same way BQ is 1.5 and CR is also 1.5. Now the thing is that our task is to find only BD. If you find BD, for that we can add 1.5 so that we will get QD. Is it clear? Now here let us separate the triangles from the given figure. If we separate the triangles, we get the figure like this. So here this is A, this is C, this is E. I am going to take only this upper portion. This upper portion, two triangles are there. Those triangles only just I am cutting and sticking here. And here is BD. Here this is B and this is D. Right? Now here let us write the known values. CE is 12 meters. Let us write here CE 12 meters. BD is what we need to find. Let us take it as some X, or you can leave it as BD. And here given this PQ is 2 meter. This PQ can be carried forward. So AB is also 2 meter. So here AB is 2 meters. Clear? Here RP is 8. Let us carry up here. AC is also 8 meters. So here from A to C, this is 8 meters. Right? Now I urge you to find in this case first BD, then finally we will add that BD value to this 1.5. Right? Now here how many triangles are there? Observe carefully. ACE is one triangle, that is bigger triangle. ABD is the second triangle, that is smaller triangle. So here if you observe, the walls are perpendicular always to the earth. Almost these two are parallel. So here this is 90 degrees, so definitely this also will be 90 degrees. Both maintain the same because here the wall is straight enough. That means here it is 90 degrees. And you observe the triangles ABD and ACE. Then angle A is common in both. Here I am shading angle A, which gives us the idea that here angle A is common. Now let us write the solution here. From triangle, I am trying the first small triangle, that is ABD. From triangle ABD and triangle ACE. I am going to compare these two triangles, ABD and ACE. So in ABD, angle C is equal to, in ABD, angle B. Angle B is equal to, in ACE, angle C is equal to 90 degrees each. So we got one pair of angles. Another one, in triangle ABD and ACE, angle A is common angle. So we can write here angle A is equal to angle A. This is since common angle. It is common angle. So this is also angle. Here I am writing A for angle. Here these are also angles, so I am writing one more A. So by AA similarity criterion, we can say that, again you move above, triangle ABD we have taken and triangle ACD in place of and, we can write similar symbol. So here I am writing triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACE. If you observe carefully here, what triangles we have taken, those triangles only we are proving similar. Here I have taken the word and, here I changed with the symbol similar by following a particular criterion. Now as we know, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us write here, their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us note down their corresponding sides. Here suppose if I take AB, for AB, AC is the corresponding side. So here AB by AC. Same way, here if I take BD, corresponding one is CE. So BD by CE. And here AD, corresponding one is AE. AD by AE. Let us substitute the known values to find the unknown. Here AB is 2 meters. Let us write 2. AC is 8 meters. So let us write 8. And BD is what we need to find. That is I am taking as X by CE is 12. Right? Here there is no value of AD and AE given, and moreover they are not used here. Means they are not required for us. So we can skip this ratio. It's not at all a problem. Now R due to find X here. So here let us do cancellation. This is 2 1 jar 2, 2 4 jar 8. Now let us do cross multiplication. Here it is 4 into X, 4X is equal to 12 into 1 is 12. So on simplification, X is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3. So finally we got X as 3, means 3 meters, because here all the measurements are in meters. X is also 3 meters. Right? Now let us read the question. Here you see, what should be the height of the fence? Here height of the fence is QD, means DQ or QD, but not BD. Clear? So let us conclude the problem here that the required height of the fence or fencing, whatever one you can write, fence is dq. Here dq means x plus 1.5 meters. I would like to continue here. So dq equal to x plus 1.5. Already we know x equal to 3. Therefore dq is equal to x plus 1.5, whereas x is here 3. So 3 plus 1.5 meters. So that here we can write 3 plus 1 is 4. It is 4.5 meters. So here finally we got dq as 4.5 meters. We can write that therefore the required height is 4.5 meters in order to block the view of his neighbor. So with this problem, that is example 7, gets completed. Now we see exercise 8.2, question number 1. In the given figure, here the figure is given, angle ADE means this angle is equal to angle B means this angle. See here you observe this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal. Okay. First bit, show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. And the second bit, if AD equal to 3.8, let us write the given values here. AD is equal to 3.8 centimeter. AE equal to 3.6 centimeter. This is 3.6 centimeter. BE is 2.1 centimeter. BE is 2.1 centimeter. BC is 4.2 centimeter. BC is 4.2 centimeter, and we need to find DE. Right? Let us see first bit. We have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. First, let us separate the triangles ABC and ADE. Here you observe, I will tell you an easy way of separation. You just move your finger in triangle ABC. See here A, B, C, again reach to A. So here this is ABC, and same when ADE, ADE, again you go back to A, ADE, earlier ABC, now ADE. If you observe carefully, here angle A is a common angle in both the triangles. So that common one, let us give labels as first one. See here, I am drawing one small triangle. This is for ADE. This triangle is for ADE. And another one bigger one I am drawing here. This is for ABC. This is for ABC. Now what I mean to say, first what is to be given preference here? Which letter comes here? That is what I am saying. Which is a common angle in both? Let us give this top priority for that vertex. Here you observe, if you move ABC and ADE, that means we are able to cover A 2 times. That's why here the angle A is common. Let us write here top of both the triangles. That means first preference is given for the common angle. So this is for triangle ABC. And this is for triangle ADE, right? So in which we have covered A and A. Now BC is to be kept here and DE also. Now let us see how to fill the next one. Here it is given that angle B is equal to angle D. See here, in this if I write angle B, here in the same position, corresponding position will be filled by D. So here B is given place, and here for D also place is given. Now here the leftover vertices, here C is left, let us fill it with C. Same way here E is left, let us fill it with E. This is how now C is also filled and E is also filled. So here now we got triangle ABC and triangle ADE. This is how we can separate the triangles easily. I repeat, first you give the priority for the common angles, next equal angles, and here whatever vertices are left we can fill the remaining gap with them. Now here you observe angle A is common, that is what here I am shading. The shaded one indicates a common angle, and given angle B equal to angle D. So let us start solving this problem. First bit, these two triangles are to be similar. Which triangles you want similar? Those triangles only we have to take here. 3 from triangle ABC and triangle ADE. So from triangle ABC and triangle ADE, right? In fact, here you see, observe the writing way of writing also. After A we move to B, then C. A, B, C. In the same order you should move. A, D, E. You should not say A, E, D for A, B, C. Is it clear? If you say A, C, B, triangle A, C, B, then you should say triangle A, E, D. So even the following order is also very important. Here it is said that A, then B, then coming this side, left side C. Same way here also you should move the same moment. A, D, E. That is what here. Even in writing also we have to follow the order properly. Now in triangle ABC, here angle A, even in triangle AD also angle A, this is common angle. It is common angle. So this is one angle, means one pair of angles. Next here, given that angle B equal to angle D, this is what given here, angle ADE. So here in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to, in triangle ADE, angle D, right? See here, angle B equal to angle D. So this is what, since it is given in the question, this is another pair of angles. In place of angle D, you can write ADE also. ADE nothing but angle D in this triangle. So simply I wrote angle D. So now here, by AA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion, we can say that these triangles which are there, triangle ABC, now here and symbol I am changing as similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE, right? This is what here you see, show that these two triangles are similar, we have proved here. So with this, first part of this problem gets completed. So this is what solution of, here I am writing first bit. Now here I would like to solve second bit now, right? Let us enter the second bit. Now when here two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us write now their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us consider their corresponding sides. Here let us write AC by AE. AC, see for AC corresponding one is AE. AC by AE is equal to CB, we can write as BC also. BC by DE, we can write as ED or DE. So I am writing BC by DE is equal to same way AB by AD. AB by AD. Let us substitute all the known values so that we can find the unknown value. So here AC. Here you observe AC is, this DC value is not known. So let us keep this one in pending. Let us write the remaining. Right? Here BC. BC is 4.2. BC is 4.2. or else better I substitute all the values. In the next step I will take whichever are required for us. AC is nothing but 3.8 plus CD. 3.8 plus CD. To not to confuse you, I am writing this step. AE is 3.6. 3.6 equal to BC. BC is 4.2. 4.2 by DE. DE, that is what we need to find here. That's why I am writing DE as it is equal to AB. A to B. Here you see in the values AB clearly, directly it is not given. But if you observe the given figure here, if you add these two values, 2.1 plus 3.6, that is nothing but AB. So here AB is AE plus EB. That means here if you add 3.6 plus this 2.1, you are getting here 5.7. This 5.7 centimeter nothing but AB. So in place of AB, we can write 5.7 by AD. AD is 3.8. Here you understand, we have to find DE. So if you consider only this part, if you simplify this, then we are able to find DE, whereas this is not at all required for us, this ratio. So let us leave it. Now let us consider only this and we will simplify further. Now here, to remove the decimal point, I would like to divide and multiply with 10. So here what happens? 10 times 10 by 10 into 4.2 by DE is equal to same 10 by 10 into, here I am writing this ratio, 5.7 by 3.8. So here I move the problem. 10 into 4.2 is 42 by 10 into DE is 10 times DE is equal to 10 into 5.7, the point is removed, 57. 10 into 3.8 is 38. Let us do cancellation here. When you divide both the numbers with 19th table, this is 19, 2s are 38. This is 19, 3s are 57. So here I did both the numbers, I divide with 19. Right. So here what we get finally? 42. Here I will do cross multiplication. So that 10 DE into 3. So I am writing here 10 into DE into 3 is equal to 2 into 42. If we do cross multiplication, we get 2 into 42. So here let us send 10 and 3 that side, right hand side. As it is multiplication, if we move this side, this will be division here. So 2 into 42 will be as it is divided by 10 into 3. 10 into 3. So let us cancel this 3, 42 with this 3. 3 1s are 3. It is 3 14s are 42. 2 into 40, 14 is 28 by 10. 28 by 10 can be written as 2.8. So here finally we got, therefore DE is equal to 2.8. Let us see the units here. Here all the measurements in centimeter. That's why here DE also can be written in centimeter. Therefore second bit you see here, find DE. DE is 2.8 centimeter. First bit, show these two are similar. We have proved these two are similar. So with this first problem gets completed.